Hi friends, this video I'll show you how to resolve the problem related with the protocol. For instance, in my application here, I'm trying to send an HTTP request to a server. Let's observe this. Only I click a send button in order to send the request to a server. I get the errors in the description. You can see now the error that is usually a protocol error as shown here. In order to resolve this problem, you have to specify a protocol that the server requires, or you have to use a device that supports a protocol. You have to ask the Android API to install the protocol in the mobile device that you are trying to send a request, because some devices have unsupported protocols. So in here I'm showing you how to resolve the problem in the same Android device with unsupported protocol, but I'm going to add connection specification here. I'll define the connect. In short, I'll give you in the description the connection specification, but I'll copy from my another project. This one. You have to define the connection specification as this one. You'll get in the description of this video. And here it requires me to add a list. Now I'm going to define a single element list for the connection specification. For additional support, you can comment in the comment box of this video. Also, I'm doing freelancing work in building mobile application and website. You can contact me. I provide the link to contact me and the website in the description. I'm available 24 hours. You can contact me for any project. If you want a project, if you want support, or if you want an help.